do. Then you can turn this off right now. My workout's not for you. I'm talking to the woman who wants it all. Gotta pay for what you get. Cause size too close, don't come to those too lazy to set. How much you lift in the shape. When I say don't say how high. And know you're doing it right. When it's time to cry. If you don't look like you should, you got to whip it good. Sorry, ladies, no mistake. Till you're whipped into shape. Come on, Sabrina, you have not. Bring it out.
Oh, why'd you pause it?
We have a lot to cover. Meet our brand new client, Brooke. You can laugh, but she's made tons of her DVDs and books. Whip your way, tighter buns. Happily married, so she swears to her 60-year-old stud. Till stepdaughter came downstairs and found Brooke all covered in his blood. If Brooke took a plea, I'd have her out in 3 to 4. But she claims she did not kill her. Did she? Let's watch some more.
What's more than just a workout, it's a defensive weapon too. Simply wrap it around your assailant's neck and pull till he turns blue. You can also use a patented handle grid to shut your attacker's spine. And offer 3 small movements, $19.99 to get you whipped into shape. When you get free from the guy, over with this, don't get started to cry. If they don't act like you should, you got to whip it good. It gets out of any scrape and gets you whipped into shape. Come on, people! Whipped into shape. What's up, gonna kill us, makes us harder?
Hands, who thinks she's guilty? All right. Here is where you kids come in. Brooke has trouble trusting me. I'm her only chance to win, but I don't speak MTV. Though Brooke won't help her own defense, she may listen to her ears. Go and place a little sex in the space between her ears. Not now. I want her whipped into shape. If there's a brain in that hair, tell it that I am the key. It's a flea or the chair. See, when I talk to her eye, it's neither flea nor plan nor alibi. Quote from our defendant's state. I want her whipped into shape. To the jail.
Alright, ladies! Just because we're stuck in a women's correctional facility does not mean we can't become the best that we can be! Alright! Here we go! Circle, circle, under, over, through, around. Again! Circle, circle, under, over, good! Circle, circle, under, over, through, around. Alright, ladies! We can't break out of here, but we sure can bring us left! Left! Right! Good! Left! Right! You got it! Left! Right! Left! Right! Left! Right! Work it out! I want you whipped into shape. When I say don't say how hard, you know you're doing it right. When you start to cry, you don't look like you should. You got to! It's prison, ladies, no escape until you're whipped into shape. Whipped into shape. Here we go, swipe it through. Check it out, double jump. Swipe it through. Check it out, double jump. That's right, you got it. Whip it into shape.
Miss Wyndham, you have some business.
Hi, Miss Wyndham. I'm Emmett Forrest, co-counsel with Steinwell, Zachowski, Fox, and Callahan. These 4 interns are the cream of the crop at Harvard Law, and we are here to whip up your legal defense. Incidentally, my mom's a big fan of your DVDs. Credits you with her nutcracker butt, her words. Anywho, we'd love to go over your case and discuss a few options. We want it for you as soon as possible so you can bring your message back to your fans.
That's all that I want. This should be super easy.
Great. So Callahan briefed me of your meeting, and there's a significant amount of evidence against you. In order for you, the jury will need to hear an alibi.
Not gonna happen.
Even though it could save you?
Put me on the stand and I'll be forced to lie.
Okay, Miss Wyndham, if we can't hear about the alibi, you should accept the plea bargain.
And admit to something I didn't do.
But with a plea bargain, you get out in a couple of years. That sounds reasonable, right?
Reasonable. To do time for my husband's killer. Not really.
Man, she's tough.
Yo, sister! Yo! Not related. I need a legal team who knows I'm innocent. Get out of here, all of you.
Who is a girl with loyal friends and true? Who has a bond that's strong as crazy glue? Who can sound the call and sisters all come through? Delta new, Delta new, you are a Delta new, Delta new, Delta new, you are a Delta new. UCLA's a former Delta new president, Al Woods. I knew I recognized your mugshot.
Shut up!
Oh yeah, your DVDs got me in shape to be June of the Girls of UCLA calendar.
So great! I got someone on this legal team gets me!
Sisterhood forever.
Totes.
Listen, I believe you, and I will fight with everything I have to clear your good name. But that does involve an alibi.
I can't tell it!
Brooke, we all have our secrets. For years, I denied my highlights.
It's more than highlights, Elle. It's a disgrace. My secret is nuclear, and if it gets out, I could lose my fitness empire forever, which means everything to me. But if I tell you, will you Delta and your sisters swear not to tell?
I will double Delta New Sisters for not to.
You're hardcore. Okay. So, on the day my husband was killed, I had
What?
lipo.
Brooke, you're gonna have to speak up. I really can't.
Lipo's such a minimally invasive outpatient lipo, but still lipo. Oh my god! I know. I had to do it. Serious cottage cheese was showing up on my butt.
Don't worry, your secret is safe with me.
I'm trusting you, Elle. If it's a kill.
Elle, there you are.
Where's Brooke?
Oh, the guard just took her back.
Great.
But I got her alibi.
No kidding. What is it?
Oh, I'm afraid I can't tell you.
Why not?
Because I doubled Delta New Sisters swore not to.
Elle, this is not some little sorority thing.
Oh, I know. It's a big sorority thing. But don't worry, Brooke really had nothing to do with it. Listen, Brooke is a fitness queen. Exercise gives you endorphins, and endorphins make you happy, and happy people just don't kill people.
Emmett, can I have a word?
Elle, are you serious? If you do not give up this alibi, we will all lose the case.
Well, then I guess we're not very good lawyers then.
Will you stop being a Maryland L? Callahan wants that alibi, give it to him, and you can sail through law school. And you can know there's a big fat job offer waiting for you when you get out.
But I gave Brooke my word.
So what? Who cares?
Who cares?
I gave you simple instructions. Lead this legal team and get me an alibi. You're 0 for 2.
Everyone, field trip's over. Let's get back to work. Except you two.
I would rather not see Ratty Corduroy or Legally Blonde again today.
Emmett, I'm sorry.
I don't need you to be sorry. I need you to tell me the alibi.
I can't because I gave Brooke my word. But having an alibi is not the only way to win this case.
No, but it sure would help.
Work with me. We can free Brooke the right way. The noble way.
This is not a Lifetime original movie, Elle. I'm not interested in nobility. I'm interested in saving Brooke's life.
No, you are not. You are more interested in impressing Callahan.
Well, he is my boss, and if I impress him, he'll make me associate.
By jeopardizing our client's trust and our integrity.
Well, when you put it that way.
Exactly, butthead. My word means something. I know yours does too.
No one's called me butthead since the 3rd grade.
Maybe not to your face. Come on, let's get out of here.
Why do you always have to be right?
I don't have to be. When I'm with you, I just am. But listen, if you want to impress Callahan, I can help.
Okay, how?
Look, I love your scruffy vibe, but Casual Friday is so not in Callahan's vocabulary, and you have got to dress the part if you want to get ahead.
Elle, didn't your mother ever teach you anything about not judging a book by its cover?
She did, and books with tattered covers stay on the shelf.
Well, thanks a lot.
Emmett, this is not a perfect world. I think people have not judged me my whole life. I think it wasn't a good idea for me to make navy my new pink.
No, that was a good idea.
I know.
Where are we going exactly?
Do you trust me?
Of course.
Then don't stop now.
What is this place?
It's called a department store.
It's beautiful.
First, a deep breath. Take it all in. Feel all those halogens warming your skin. Smell how they pump in pure oxygen. See they can.
Love,
Excuse me?
love, the new fragrance from Chanel.
Oh, no, thank you.
I know you're scared, but nevertheless, think of the people you want to impress. Swallow your pride for me, just nod yes, and prepare. 'Cause something's in the air.
Yeah, I think it's love.
Exactly! Here you'll become what you're supposed to be. You think you can't, but you can. Think of the guy you want most to be. Here's your chance to make it, so take it like a man.
What does she want? Not really sure. Why can't we leave things the way that they were? Why can't I never say no to her? What's that spell?
Subtext.
That I don't like. That's kind of neat. Guys who wear that get beat up on my street. Still, I've come this far. I can't retreat in my shell. I'm in the hands of Elle. What the hell? Here you'll become what you're supposed to be. You think you can't, but you can. Think of the guy you want most to be. Here's your chance to make it, so take it like a man.
God, I love shopping for guys.
Okay, this is strange.
Watching them change right before my eyes.
Don't watch me change.
Look at you striking a pose. Your confidence grows. You'll bloom like a rose.
Just close.
God, I love shopping for men.
Okay, this is nice.
They walk in a 2, they walk out a 10.
Is this the price?
Don't worry, this is my treat. There's someone I'd like you to meet.
Whoa. I look like Warner.
Yeah.
But it's just me.
That's the best part. The outside is new, but now it reflects what's already in you. I couldn't change that if I wanted to, and I do not.
Thank you.
No, thank you. This is no gift, it's payment in kind. 'Cause you saw beyond all that blonde to my mind. Oh, we've got to buy this. What, aren't you blind? You look hot. Is he not hot?
You'll become what you're supposed to be. You think you can't, but you can. Think of the guy you were most to be. Not quite the guy I chose to be. But when she's standing so close to me, I think I like her plan.
Here's your chance to make it.
Your chance to make it. So take it like a man. A man. A man. A man.
Paulette, that might be a bit much.
All right, classy lawyer thinks it is then. When those jury people see those nails, they'll know they can trust you.
Which is more than my legal team is doing right now. They are all over me for Brooke's alibi.
Including your friend. Emmett?
Oh, he is on the team too.
Yeah, in more ways than one. Oh, I see the way he looks at you.
Paulette, we are just friends.
Yeah, and I could use a friend like that.
You're too much. Let's just study together.
I've got a package for Miss Paula Bonafonte. The name's Kyle. This is my new route to the first stop of the day. Kind of cool karma, huh?
I'll just... It's 2 teams, right?
Everything? Do me a favor. Get yourself a super day.
God, the new UPS guy's like Johnny Depp with less eyeliner.
So go talk to him already.
Right, I can't talk to guys like that, Elle. I'm not you. I've got nothing to offer.
Oh my God!
Did you see that?
She's got the most perfect bended snap I've ever seen. You're a natural! Hi, Paulette!
Why is he dead people?
No, that is just my Greek chorus. I am so sad you can see them too now.
But I haven't had any ganga.
When your bended snap has that much snap, it's been known to alter all laws of physics and logic.
What are you talking about, bend and snap?
The bend and snap. It is a move invented by UCLA cheerleaders to break the will of the opposing team. But it also has real-world applications. The bend and snap is 99.999999999% effective on straight men.
Oh, that's good. Because I've got a great track record with those.
I think I see the problem here. And it's not just physical. It's spiritual. Paulette just needs a little spirit! And Serena knows all about spirit! She's a UCLA cheer team leader! Cheerleader Paulette, do you know why cheerleaders get the guy and keep the guy?
Because you jump around, showing your panties.
And it's because we command and demand attention.
For real. You must become the cheerleader you fear.
You've got the pom-poms. It's time to shake it! Ready? Okay. Look at my butt, look at my thighs. Tell them to the guys, they cheat on really true and pan. Gonna touch this what they can. Now all the boys wanna come and play. Snap my fingers and they'll why they follow me around all day. Watch me while I walk away. Dance and stop. Feel how hot it's getting. Dance and stop. And when you got us wet, scream and shout. They cheer and clap. No time dancing, no dancing, the band.
Oh, that is easy for you to say.
And you, girl, if you wanna make the team, it makes some self-esteem. Jump around and scream, sexy if you see.
The girls think how I'm free. This will work for travel day. I gotta go get my ass to scream. Watch me while I walk away.
But wait before you walk away.
Dance and stop. Look how good you get. Dance and stop. And then the night, bring the trap. They cheer and
teach me that I'm tired of putting a lot of weight.
Sure. Nowadays I do not job for girls, but here's how we do it in the Laker girls.
Do it, and we'll go away. Okay.
Bend and snap.
Hey, wait a second when I beckon. How the flies can run like a chicken. Like a freaking wicked stunning. You take the stuff I buy. Yes. Make me taken high. Yes. Help me when I cry. Yes. I will tell you why. Time to rock till like a wig. Oh, boys, got the wig. Drop the job, like a wig. Watch it how I walk away.
We love to watch her walk away. Bend and snap. Now look how high you get. Bend and snap.
I'm better now than today.
Bring the truck. They cheer me up.
I depend on my friend.
Go Polly, go Polly.
I depend on my friend.
Go Polly.
I depend on my friend, on my friend.
And snap. And snap. I keep
Hey, Paula, can I be my stylist?
My George! Emmett, is that you?
Elle took me shopping.
Emmett, you look shocked.
Chalk one up for Elle.
In day 3 of the murder trial, PA Joyce Riley has been grilling Nikos Arden tacos, Miss Wyndham's schoolboy, all morning. The waters could get dicey. Let's hope the defense team packed their floaties. Katie?
Which is why you should explain to the court what your duties were as the pool boy.
Cleaning the pool.
And could you explain what Exhibit B is?
That was my uniform.
And was it Brooke's idea to have you wear said uniform?
Yes.
And could you explain to the court what your relationship was with the defendant?
Brooke and I were lovers.
He was your lover?
No, it's up to me. Would never sleep with a man in a phone. I just like to watch him clean the filters.
Incredible. You're all making me look like an imbecile up there. Your Honor, I request a 10-minute recess.
Yeah, okay. I'll take this outside.
Why didn't I know about this disaster?
All right, it is a setback.
Motive, Emmett.
Colette, what's up?
Oh, Elle, I just had to call and thank you. The bend and snap worked. I may have broke Kyle's nose in the process, but I got to spend 4.5 hours with him in the ambulance and at the ER. It was the most romantic time I've ever had in my whole life.
Colette, that is so great. I am so happy for you. I told you the bend and snap is infallible unless the guy is gay or something. I've gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
What's this? Did you see it?
See what?
Maybe you should do it one more time.
Nikos could not have had an affair with Brooke. I just did the bend and snap in front of him and nothing. Clearly, he must be gay.
Nikos did leave a Justin Bieber CD in the pool house once.
So what? You want to outscout the stand? That's crazy. You can't have a legal judge on the bend and snap. We need a defense, not a dance move.
So you think he's perjured himself, but you can't prove it. Listen, if you're wrong, we look desperate and homophobic.
But if she's right,
And I know I am. There, right there. Look at that tan, well-tended skin. Look at
the killer shape he's in. Look at that slightly stumbling chin. Oh please, he's gay, totally gay.
I'm not about to celebrate every trait could indicate a totally straight expatriate. This guy's not gay, I say not gay.
That's just the elephant in the room. Rose is relevant to assume that a man who wears perfume is automatically gay.
Look at his coiffed and crispy locks.
Look at his silk translucent socks.
There's the eternal paradox, look what we're seeing. Is he gay or European?
Or European, it's hard to guarantee. Is he gay or European?
Hey, don't look at me.
You see, they bring their boys up different in those charming foreign ports. They play peculiar sports
In shiny shirts and tiny shorts, gay or foreign fellow. The answer could take weeks. They will say things like Charmella while they kiss you on both cheeks. Gay or European, so many shades of gray.
Depending on the time of day, the French go either way.
Is he gay or European? Or
That condescending smirk, seen it on every guy at work. That is a metro hetero jerk. That guy's not gay, I say no way.
That's the elephant in the room. Brothers is relevant to pursue. That's the hottie in that costume.
is automatically ready.
Ironically, chronically.
Gay, officially gay, officially gay, 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 gay. Dang it, gay or European.
So stylish and relaxed.
Is he gay or European?
I think his chest is whacked.
You see, they bring their boys up different where it's culturally diverse. It's not a fashion curse.
If he wears a kilt or bears a purse, gay or just exotic, I still can't crack the code.
Yeah, his accent is hypnotic with his cute that pointy toad.
Ha! Gay or European, so many shades of gray. Is he gay or European? Gay or European? Gay or European?
Give me a second to crack this guy. I have an idea I'd like to try.
The floor is yours.
So, Mr. RG Tacos, this alleged affair with Miss Wyndham has been going on for years. And your first name again is, and your boyfriend's name is.
Carlos. I misunderstand. I thought you said best friend. My best friend's name is Carlos.
You spaghetti head! You lying spaghetti head! That is it! I don't cover for you no more! Peoples, I have a big announcement! This man is gay and European! Wow! And this stop you being a completely closet gay! No! I turn to see it, I do what you say, I swear he never, ever, ever swing the other way! So with my name, I'm going to say, he's gay! European! European! European!
Okay, I'm gay.
Two epics, more decisively turning the case around and nailing the pool boy.
Emmett nailed the pool boy.
Well, I have to share this victory with Elle.
To Emmett, and I cannot believe I'm about to say this. To Elle.
To Elle.
Well,
Yes, since when did a finely tuned gaydar qualify as a legal victory?
Without this gay dog, we wouldn't be celebrating with champagne. We'd be dead in the water. Elle Woods trusts her gut and has shown more legal smarts than most on my staff. She won this round, making her a good lawyer. And while we'd still love to hear that alibi she got by keeping it, she's never compromised the client's trust, making her grateful. Which is more than I can say about you, Warren. Make yourself useful. Go get me some coffee.
But we're drinking champagne.
Splenda and Skim. Everyone else, go home and get some rest. I need you all sharp tomorrow morning. Miss Woods, could I have a word?
Oh, of course. I'll catch up with you in a second. Thank you for what you said earlier, Professor. It meant a lot.
You deserved it, but don't tell the other law students I said so. I've got a scary reputation to uphold.
Don't worry, your secret is safe with me. But I really do appreciate the opportunity to work with you. I have learned so much.
What you've learned isn't the point. You've got instincts. And instincts, legal or otherwise, can't be taught. Trust your instincts. I really thought you were smarter than that.
Is that the only reason why you gave me this internship?
It's been nice working with you, Miss Woods. You may show yourself out.
Well, hello, Marilyn. Looks like you've been partner. You've really earned it.
Warner, shut up.
Take back the books and pack up the clothes. Clean out the room and drop off the keys. Leave with what's left of my dignity. I'll get in the car and just go. Chalk it all up to experience. They said I failed, I disagreed. Who can say then where my path would lead? Well, now I know. Back to the sun, back to the shore, back to what I was before. Back where I'm known, back in my own very small part. I'll laugh with my friends when I arrive. We'll drop the top and just drive, 'cause that's fine with me. Just let me be legally blonde.
There she is, intern of the year.
Thanks for your help and for all you've done. Thank you for treating me decently.
Wait, what's wrong?
Maybe someday you can visit me. Give me a call, say hello.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm sorry, I'm letting down everyone.
What brought on
You
this?
did your best with a hopeless case.
That's ludicrous.
You are the best thing about this place.
No, you should know.
Callahan hit on me.
He what?
He kissed me and he fired me. He made it very clear that I don't belong here.
He's wrong. We'll fix it. We'll fight it.
Emmett, please. There's no reason for me to stay here.
What about love? I never mentioned love. The timing's bad, I know. But perhaps if I'd made it more clear that you belong right here, you wouldn't have to go. 'Cause you know that I'm so much in love.
Back to the shore, back to what I was before.
Please, will you open the door?
I on the beach, the dream within reach. Don't stray me up.
So much more.
Some faced a trial, some girls were just meant to smile.
If you can hear, can't I just say how much I want you to stay?
It's not up to me, just let me be legally
I
blind.
need you to stay.
It's not up to me, just let me be legally blind.
Rufus. Rufus.
Wow, he really likes you. Thanks for walking through this.
It was the least I could do. Consider this training to thank you for staying with me at the hospital.
Oh, trust me, the pleasure was all mine.
better be getting back to my route now. Duty calls.
Oh, Judy calls. All that. And he has a job. All right, Scooby, it's time for your manicure.
Oh, hi, Paulette. I just came to say goodbye.
What? Goodbye?
Yeah, I'm going back home to California.
California, why?
I'm going back to where it makes sense.
Honey, you're not making any right now.
All this time I thought I was proving myself and making a difference, but it turns out that I am just one big blonde joke, and that is all anyone's ever going to see.
That's not what I see.
Vivian?
Maybe Warner saw a blonde who was sleeping away to the top, but all I see is a woman who does not have to. I used to pray for the day you leave. Swore up and down you did not belong. But when I'm wrong, then I say I'm wrong, and I was wrong about you. So listen up, I see no end to what you'll achieve. That's only if you don't turn and run. Prove it to me now, show everyone what you can do. And you look great in dark blue. Back on the game, back on the case. Take a good look at my face. I'm not a fool, and you're so cool. I'm not wrong. I see a star, right now here. You've got that freaking shoes, and you refuse. So go show a booze, legally gone. You refuse. So go show a booze, legally.
Sorry, Vivian, but I'm never wearing that again.
Elle, honey, you're in the supply closet.
I know! I said I'm never wearing that again. I'm wearing this! Get back to the game, yes, back to the crowd, yes, but I'm going back to my style. Back, yes, and when you're attacked, yes, you gotta run. So I look down in my bag, and then I'm there again. And all that is true, no, I'm not in good. We got the blood. Take to the streets when you're legally blonde. There's no retreat when you're legally blonde. Yeah. Don't be afraid to be legally blonde. Play the parade. She's leading a parade. Mom and Dad in a picture. Legally blonde.
Everyone say cheese!
No, say legally blonde. Legally blonde.
She's legally blonde. She's legally blonde. She's legally blonde. Oh my God, Elle! My big voice. Thanks, but I don't need voices in my head today.
Honey, it's us, the girls of Delta New. We came to see our president be legally blonde. Legally blonde. You got a right to be legally blonde. You got a right to be legally blonde. Yeah.
Hey, Paulette, what's going on?
Oh, we're just cheering on our friend Elle.
I've got another package.
Oh, thanks, Kyle B. O'Boyle. Hey, what does the B stand for anyway?
Brendan.
Instead, you're fired.
Oh my God, it's Civil Practice!
That's absurd. Elle's just a law student. She can't represent you.
Yes, she can, Your Honor. Rule 303 of the Supreme Judicial Court states that a law student, Miss Elle Woods, may represent a defendant in criminal proceedings.
Only if she has a licensed attorney to supervise. And without me, she does not.
Yes, she does. I'm licensed, Your Honor. I'll gladly supervise.
Like heck you will. You work for me, remember?
No, I work for myself, and I don't have to hit on interns, Professor.
Enjoy prison, Miss Wyndham.
Oh, goodbye. Thank you, Emmett.
Did you honestly think I was going to let you get away?
Miss Woods, any day now you may proceed. Call your first witness.
We call Chutney Wyndham to the stand.
Yikes.
Oh my God! TTP! Total tragic perm!
Miss Wyndham, what exactly was your relationship to the deceased?
He was my father.
Right, and did you actually see his murder take place?
No, I was in the shower, but when I got out, Brooke was standing over my father's body, drenched in his blood.
Oh boy, we're screwed.
Don't listen to him now. You're doing fine. Just go ahead.
Miss Wyndham, on the day of your father's murder, did you see anyone suspicious hanging around?
Suspiciously hanging around my shower.
No, before that.
I was out getting a perm.
And then you came home and took a shower?
Yes, I was in the shower.
Your Honor, I would like to go to the bathroom!
Shouldn't you have gone before the murder trial?
No, I mean, I would like us all to go to the bathroom together.
Why do girls always do that?
I mean, I would like everyone to go back to the bathroom where this alleged shower took place.
Yeah, okay. I'll be clean at the scene of the crime, but I hope she's not wasting my time.
Paulette, even, can you do this for me? This one.
To the scene of the crime! At the scene of the crime!
Carry on at the scene of the crime.
Scene of the crime!
Watch where you walk.
It's the scene of the crime!
That's what you chop.
It's the scene of the crime! Oh my God, we're back! It's the scene of the
Would the court stenographer please read that back?
Oh my God, we rock. It's the scene of no.
Before that.
Oh, witness. Yes, I was in the shower.
Thank you. Miss Wyndham, you claim on the day of your father's murder, you got a perm. Was this your first perm?
No, I've had my hair since junior high, about 3 a year.
Interesting. My associate has gotten a perm herself today. Exhibit B, Miss Enid Hicks. Thank you, Miss Paulette Benefonte. Now, Miss Wyndham, would Exhibit B's perm be similar to your own? And once more, you did not see the murder or hear the gunshot because you were where?
In the shower!
Thank you. Now, Miss Hoops, would you mind stepping into the shower, please?
Idiot, you can't get a perm right for 48 hours.
Exactly! The water deactivates the perm's ammonium glyphosate and completely ruins it. It is the cardinal rule of perm maintenance. Your perm is still intact, so you couldn't have taken a shower that day. Why would you lie about getting in the shower? Why would you lie about not hearing the gunshot? Why would they not like me?
Older than my father's new uncanny wife. I didn't mean to hurt my father. I didn't mean to shoot him. I thought it was Brooke coming through the door.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hold on. Daddy, that I'm in the dawn. Into the custody, you free. We apologize.
Oh my God! It's a dream come true!
I just do what I cannot do. You know it had to know that I had liposuction on my thighs.
We
somebody needs to talk to you. It's okay. I'm gonna see you later.
No, the thing I didn't take you seriously, I was wrong.
Thank you, Warner.
We do belong together. Showed me we could be together again.
Oh, Warner. Vivian dumped you, didn't she? Though I dreamed of this day long ago, now my answer is thank you, but no. See, I've barely begun, I'm hardly through. I was living in ignorant bliss, till I learned I can be more than this. And you know, in a way, I owe it all to you. I thought losing your love was a blow I could never withstand. Look how far I have come without anyone holding my hand. I had to find my way. The day you broke my heart, you handed me the chance to make a brand new start. You helped me find my way. There's still so much to learn, so many dreams to earn. But even if I crash and burn 10 times a day, I think I'm here to stay. I'm gonna find my way.
William Shakespeare once wrote, "Thine own self be true, and thou must follow as the night the day. Thou canst not then be false to any man." I believe this statement best applies to a woman, a blonde woman. For the past 3 years, she has showed me, taught us all, that being true to yourself never goes out of style. Ladies and gentlemen, your valedictorian, Miss Elle Woods.
Ladies and gentlemen of the class of 2000,
She's a pipe where she gives perfect speech. We're so proud, but also not one to preach. So she said we could play Where Are They Now? Here we go! Enid practices family law. Vivian's training for the Peace Corps. Wanna quit, said he makes more modeling anyhow. Callahan ran for governor, but was defeated, of course. And his wife hired damage to handle the messy divorce. And me, I think I'll find my way. And hey, I married Kyle, and now we have 2 kids, and 1 more on the way. And this world's name is Seamus. We got a new salon. We also feature dog grooming. Here, take a couple cards. Oops, sorry, back to Elle.
I thank you one and all, the ones who thought I'd fall, who showed me how to fail, who helped me to prevail. I'm standing here today, 'cause you helped me find my way. Oh, and if you could give me 1 second before we all go. Emmett Forrest, please make me the happiest